I have a question. Happitude has many courses, especially the ones which are very famous are mindfulness and happiness. But somebody who comes to enroll gets confused. What should I be doing, whether it's mindfulness or happiness?
Yeah.
So what is your answer to that?
Yeah. See, there are two different approaches which going to take you to the same place.
Okay.
Place where you have this emotional and mental well-being and this, this joy in your heart. I mean, that takes you to the same place. But these are two different approaches. The approach of happiness coaching is mainly through the emotions. Okay, it takes you from one emotion to another and make you experience that how you can, by choice move from one emotion to another, and that's where you get the freedom, right? And that's a very juicy and very fun way of reaching there.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, mindfulness is a root of awareness. Now, awareness is for those people who are who have more depth, and they're not very, they don't want to kind of get too much in the worldly conversations, and they're not too many social things, but they like to first explore this one.
Okay.
Now, if going through that route of awareness can be sometime dry.
Okay.
But that's a very, that's a permanent way actually.
Okay.
That takes you deeper, because after the initial work is done, that mindfulness take you deeper into yourself, and then you become more present to who you are and what you can bring to the world. Now, in happiness, it happens through, more like somebody likes to dance and somebody likes to sit and talk, like intellectual discussions and have those conversations. So this is like that. People who really kind of want fun and really want to go deeper into the emotion, go through the more juicy part, for them, happiness is the way.
Okay.
For others, mindfulness is the way. But I always say that if you are coming to Happitude for the first time and you don't know what to do, you should choose happiness.
Happiness.
Because that is something that sets your journey, sets your foundation for the next course. And even if you don't do after any program after that, happiness itself is a complete course, right? And similarly with mindfulness, if you do mindfulness, you don't need to come to Happitude. That's a path you are choosing for yourself. You need not come here. It's up to you. After that is a personal choice. But both are completely separate but complete path in itself.
Wow, that's wonderful. I think many questions have been answered through this. Thank you so much.